Warning, there is flashing lights, so just be careful if you're sensitive to light. Other than that, enjoy the video.
Welcome back to another video. Today I am unboxing something from Olight. I got in on their Black Friday sales and I might actually go back in there. My wife is hinting that she wants an arc feld with the laser pointer. Like, I do have an arc feld, but it is the one with the UV light. She wants the one with the laser pointer for the cat, so I might actually go in there and get one. But it depends what I have in here. I might get the bundle because one of the items I have in here comes with one of the bundles with that arc feld, but we'll see. I might want to get another one because it on the website looks sweet. So what did I get? Well, I got a couple flashlights. One I paid for. The other one is the gift that you got to spin the wheel. So let's find out what I got. I'm using the Wii Banter with the new titanium scales that I got for black titanium from Flytanium. So I'm using that to open the box. Perfect. I got air. At least I won't suffocate. Now, I got another item here from Olight. This is a special gift that I won with spinning the wheel. We'll open that last. I want to check this out. This is the i3T 2 in black and gold with the dragon and the phoenix. Now this one is cool because it is aluminum and brass. So let's get into this, shall we? I like that. Get your usual material in there, reading material. But we're here for this. Ooh, that looks so good. That is wicked. Dragon and the Phoenix. Now with the i3T2, it is supposedly a little bit brighter, and also the battery lasts a little bit longer, which I am all for. The i3T is a AAA battery. Alrighty, that's actually pretty bright. Where is my regular one here? Because I do have an i3T. The first one here, I got it in black. About the same size. Is noticeably brighter. Sweet. I like that. I like that. This is such a sweet looking flashlight. I love the design. I love brass. I love me some doorknob metal, as some people would say. The clip is amazing. I like that it is built right. It hooks right in. It doesn't clip on, not like the original one where it can come off. So having it like this is perfect. Put on my rim of my hat. Perfect for the pouch, perfect for the pocket. This is a wicked one. And I just might have to get another one with the Black Friday sale for the arc feld. Get it as a dual package. Now, let's open this other one. This is the Friendship 2023, not the brass one. I am not a diamond member, but I believe this is copper. Now, I would have loved the brass one, but I didn't have an Olight account. I do have Olight products, but I've been buying them from my local knife dealers, so. Oh, it comes in a sealed package. let's get into this. Let's use my wee banter again. It does look like it's already patinaing, which copper patinas fast. So this is pretty heavy. Yes, it is getting a nice patina on it already, looks like it. Now, that looks like it's Braille, which I'm guessing is, it says friendship. I don't know if anyone knows how to read Braille, but what's on the box is on the flashlight here engraved. But this looks nice. A nice copper flashlight. Let's take this off. Get that plastic off. Oh, and it's already on. Nice and bright. This is a wicked, wicked gift for Black Friday. I got lucky and I like this already. I would have liked to have my own patina on there, but when you order stuff like this, get copper, brass, sometimes it starts the patina on the way, even if it's been fully sealed. I don't mind. This will get a nice, more of a patina as I use it. I do have a copper carry that I'm building. This looks sweet. Olight, you guys did awesome. And yes, I think I will be putting another order in just to get another dragon and phoenix flashlight. Anyways, this is going to do it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on these two new flashlights that I ordered from Black Friday from Olight. These are wicked. I do like this dragon and phoenix i3T 2. This is going to be a perfect EDC flashlight, and because it is brass, it will fit right in with my brass carry. Very sweet. I've been on the market for a slim brass flashlight for a little while. I tried to get my hands on a pure brass i3T, but eBay, I never had any luck. So I'm very happy I got my hands on this. This is going to be sweet. I'm going to order another one so I can have it in my collection, or maybe give it to my wife so she has a really sweet flashlight in her EDC. And this copper one is awesome. I love it. It's got a good weight to it. It looks good in the hand. The patina it's getting is very sweet. I'll do a patina check on it maybe in a month, give my thoughts on it. And yeah, I wish I got the brass friendship flashlight, but hey, I should have started an Olight account earlier. I've been ordering my Olights from my knife dealers, so yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit that like, smash that subscribe. Wait, I got that backwards. You know what? Just hit that like button, hit that subscribe, ring that bell, and I will see you in the next video.